Okay, this is going to be a really quick tutorial on walking you through how you should be finding files and then how you could then turn around and save them as links. First thing is signing up. If you're signing up for group peer reviews, sign up. Some classes may have simply peer review group, but this is where you actually will find your group or create a group. So you'll notice that in this class, people are signing up here. These have 3 groups per 3 people per group, and you'll notice this doesn't have any in it right now, but there's checklist in here that you can use. I'll talk about adding attachments in just a minute, but basically you're assigning yourself, but you can also assign a peer to this. So if you haven't signed up, say if I'm signing up my fake student here, I could assign myself to a group, and there I'm done and ready to go. And then my other 2 more peers could be added to this. I'm going to take myself off so that doesn't confuse anything. But so I'd be in orientation peer group 6 in this case, and so would two other people. Actually, I'll leave it in there for now, just for the sake of argument. I'll come back. Then you'll notice that that is how I'm in a group. 2 other people add, I'll have a group of 3. That'll be a full group. Then the other 2 areas here would be where I would find that. So let's say I am a peer with Ren and I want to find his paper. I'll click on the working files folder here, and you should log into here. If you do not see this, then you're somehow not connected or signed in. You can then, in this case, I'm going to find that fake student of mine. If I scroll down, it's right here. And I'll open up that folder. And in that folder, we're looking for the orientation assignment draft. That usually goes to the top. And there, of course, is his document. So I could click on that just to read it. But also the other thing I could do is I could make a link to that. So I could select this here, come over here, copy a link, which there's other instructions on how to do this in another place. I can copy this, and then I can come back to the peer reviews. I could even go back into the sign up, find the group that I am in, and I could come down here and add an attachment link and give it some kind of name. And there, that was easy for the other peers in this group to find it. So if they want to go in here, they would click on this, and lo and behold, it should open right up in Word, and that's an easy way to link it. So anybody who cannot find their peer group, then that becomes the question: why can't you find it? What is the problem? So if you're clicking on peer reviews and you're clicking on the working files folder and you're not finding your peer, it doesn't make a lot of sense because they should all be here. So for example, here's student Anna, which I think somebody was having trouble finding her folder. It's there. There's her file. You could actually make a link to hers, copy a link. Now, if you happen to get a delay like this, sometimes this is a network issue, you can just simply stop it and notice that you can come over to the outside and take it outside of Teams. Sometimes Teams will interfere with interacting with it. So if you click on that, it'll take you to the same file folder, and I can still click on Anna's, go in here, find her document, and usually this will work at this point. And then you can copy it and then bring it back in to the peer reviews group. So in this case, there's Anna's group. I can open that up. Add a link. and voila. You can also do it by sharing it within the document. Simply specify people with existing access and copy the link, and the same process. If that helps.